This is Serbian in 5 minutes. Short, simple lessons where you learn real Serbian, the language people use in everyday life, shaped by culture and real moments. Whenever I learn a new language, I like to approach it as if I'm meeting a new person. When we meet somebody new, we usually hear some very basic information about them. The name, the age, where they come from, where they live, where they work, the very basics. I like to think the same way about languages. And before learning grammar and vocabulary, I like to get the big picture. I call this a language ID card. Today, I made a Serbian language ID card for you. 10 very basic facts that will help you understand Serbian better. Hajde da počnemo. Serbian has 30 letters and 30 sounds. And the very best rule, one letter, one sound. This means that once you learn how each letter is pronounced, that never changes. And it doesn't depend on other letters in the word. Serbian belongs to the Slavic language family, which means it shares many concepts, many words with other Slavic languages. This means that if you speak any other Slavic language, Russian, Bulgarian, Polish, or any other, this will help you a lot. When you learn Serbian, you'll also be able to understand and to communicate in Croatian, Bosnian, and Montenegrin language. They used to be one language, and today they're extremely similar. So why exactly are they considered different languages? The short answer is politics. Serbian has 7 cases. This means that one word changes its form depending on its role in a sentence. A quick comparison in English. We say, give me the book, and not give I the book. So we change I to me. In English, pronouns sometimes change. In Serbian, this doesn't happen only with the pronouns, but also with nouns, adjectives, and numbers. Serbian has 2 alphabets, Latin alphabet and Cyrillic alphabet. Do you need to learn both? Not necessarily. If your goal is communication, then Latin alphabet is enough. But if you plan to live in Serbia, then knowing Cyrillic alphabet will help you a lot. Since our street signs are in Cyrillic alphabet, we use it in formal institutions, in formal documents. It will mean a lot. Serbian nouns have 3 genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Here is a super simple trick. Learn 3 genders with 3 drinks. Kafa, coffee, is feminine gender. Feminine gender ends with an A. Vino, wine, it's neuter gender. Neuter gender ends with O or E. O or E. Chai, meaning tea, is masculine gender. Masculine gender ends in a consonant, any consonant. In Serbian, word order is often flexible. For example, all these sentences mean the same thing. Maja pije kafu. Kafu pije Maja. Pije Maja kafu. Maja is drinking coffee. The difference comes from what we want to emphasize. Serbian uses double negation. Example, ja nikad ne pijem kafu. I never drink coffee. Or exactly how we say, I never don't drink coffee. Serbian has some very clear rules, but we tend to say that we have even more exceptions. For one rule comes one exception, at least. So don't worry if something feels inconsistent. Concentrate on the rules first. Because of history, Serbian has many loanwords, especially from Turkish language and German language. Today, English is the strongest influence, especially in business and technology.
I hope these 10 facts will help you understand Serbian better and give you a clearer idea of how it all works. Hvala I vidimo se uskoro. Thank you and see you soon.